My name is Caleb, and today I will be showing you how to make a beginner stop-motion film using the Stop-Motion Studio app. The Stop-Motion Studio app is a free app that includes many great features like onion skin and other things to help you make a phenomenal video using it. The Stop-Motion Studio app even has a paid version that gives access to some extra features, but those aren't needed to make your film amazing. That said, let's get started. To make a good film, you're going to need an app to do so. So get an app like Stop-Motion Studio. If you don't know what stop-motion is, it's a form of animation where you take hundreds of photos to get an animated video as your final project. I'm using Stop-Motion Studio for my film. Once in the app, new movie button to start your project. Now that we're in our film, hit the settings button and open it up to the frame rate slider. Slide it over to 15 FPS to get the smoothest video when complete. FPS stands for frames per second, so if you have it on 15 FPS, you have to take 15 photos for 1 second of film. Remember to keep your iPad still and in the same place to avoid your film looking weird. It's also good to keep lighting the same throughout your film. Try using something like a lamp to keep it this way. It's also good to move your item in very little moves. In the Stop-Motion Studio app, there's something called Onion Skin. Onion Skin is a layer in the app that will show the last image you took so you know where to put your character without it going too far. Try testing around with it and taking some photos of random objects. Now hit play and see how it looks. You can't make a stop-motion film without the needed materials. For your characters, I suggest using things like Play-Doh or clay. For your background, I suggest using a painted cardboard box. If you want, you could even paint it green for a green screenable background. Place your character wherever they need to be for the scene, and take multiple photos. Move your character and keep doing this until the scene is done. You can make as many scenes as you want, and make your film as long as you want, because 15 photos per second would be 900 photos for only 1 minute of film. Remember to watch your video and make sure it looks right. If it doesn't, try reshooting the scene. Now that you're done filming, you need to edit your film. Use an editing software like iMovie. With iMovie, you can add music and do voiceovers. In iMovie, add your dialogue, if there is any, and also add some music to liven things up. After all this hard work, sit back, relax, and watch your film.